Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi 11, and today I will show you how you can connect AirPods Pro to this device. So at first you have to open charging case of the AirPods Pro. Next you have to rotate them like that and click and hold this button to boot them into the pairing mode. So let's make it right now. When this indicator starts blinking, just simply release the back key. Right now move to the Bluetooth settings on your Xiaomi. Tap on the switcher to enable Bluetooth. And after a few moments, AirPods Pro will pop on the available devices list. We have to tap on them and accept pair by tapping on the pair. And right now we are connected. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.